Yes, hi. Today we're going to see something rather unique. We're going to see how EON AI system can help you create experiences in more than 930 categories and also explore and guide you through real world. The AI will do the job for me.
Hi. What would you like to do? Create AI-generated show and teller experiences in the virtual world. Explore AI guidance and assistance in real world. Library.
So I'll go for create, and you can choose between either education and enterprise. Enterprise gives me access to 60 different segments. It's perfect for TVET, but I'll go for education. What we have here is technical vocational training. You can see agriculture, architecture, fashion, jewelry. We have higher education, mathematics, anatomy, biology, health science. So let's say you pick something. What would you like to pick? Okay, so I hear that you like health science. Fine, let's go for health science. And there we have allied science, dentistry, healthcare. Okay, healthcare, we'll pick that. And there we have basic life support, patient assessment, infection control, wound care. Okay, you want wound care? Okay, wound care.
You've selected the topic wound care and dressing from the education segment. Do you want to learn about the main components or a procedure of the chosen topic?
Yes, I'll go for main component.
Wound care and dressing is the process of treating and managing wounds to promote healing and prevent infection. Honey has been used as a wound dressing for centuries due to its antibacterial properties.
That was the second one, which is the text portal. Okay, so now I have a 3D panel.
A 3D object allows us to explore this subject further. If there is no suitable 3D model, you can shoot 2D image instead.
This one. Okay, so now I'll place it. And you'll see that for this wound, it's gonna start. There you go, that's my wound. Meanwhile, you can see that already identified the components. We have dressing, protection, wound monitoring, moisture balance, pressure relief, and for each of those I have images, I have text, I have videos. So here's wound monitoring, for example.
This is a quick demonstration for the procedure of wound care and dressing. Apply appropriate dressing based on wound type and exudate level.
My lesson creation, I'll save that private, public. Created a report of all the components and all the steps you can see here. And I can share that lesson. I can start a meeting and invite other people. And I can also see what the lesson contains. So this time we're going to do explore instead of create.
What would you like to do? Create AI-generated show and teller experiences in the virtual world. Explore AI guidance and assistance in real world. Library. Welcome to Cascais, a charming coastal town near Lisbon. Did you know that the Boca do Inferno cliff formation is a popular spot for cliff jumping and sunset?
So you notice that it identifies where I am,
Please start by
my
setting
location.
up a persistent anchor.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to have an anchor point right there. And I have to gently move around my phone. And what the phone is going to do is that going to capture the geoposition, the longitude, latitude, and altitude of this location. So anyone that enters this room, just holding the phone to the anchor point, will be able to enjoy all the injections of knowledge that I've done in each object. And we're going to do that together right now. So now we have an anchor point. You can see it here.
Let's add a real-world annotation. This will be one of the topics of this experience.
Okay, so we'll put the annotation. Obviously, if this was a hospital, I would go for an MRI device. If this was a mechanical engineering lab, I will do for a machine, but I don't have those items in my room, so I'll select the coffee maker here. And first thing that happens is the AI identifies what it is. So you can see here that it went for Nespresso Inicia. with that confirmation, what's happening now is that the AI will go and find information and build the knowledge portal, build all the components that this device consists of, identify all the annotations, and enable me to do a procedure such as how to refill the coffee, how to do the maintenance procedure, etc. So all that is possible. So the first thing we are seeing here, let me just take a step back, is the knowledge portal. This reminds me a little bit of what we've seen earlier. This is the image, an espresso in Inicia. And now the second one here we see is the Inicia, the heats up in 25 seconds. This is the text. So it found that information using EON's AI assistant. And finally, we have a video of how the machine works.
Related to Nespresso Inicia.
Now we would like to continue, and here's when I think it gets very excited, because what you're seeing now, what you're seeing here is that it identified everything around the machine.
Fast heating. Ready in 25 seconds. 19 bar pressure.
The pressure.
For perfect crema. Automatic
the shut-off procedure.
Energy saving. Removable water tank.
And all the
Easy
components.
to refill. Folding drip tray.
Now I can go and probe this myself.
Like
For example, the capsule
annotation?
container. You can see here the video, the text, the image, how I can see here what happens with the storage, the cord storage. So imagine this being an MRI device or a more complex engine or something like that. So then when I've done, it asks me if I would like to add another annotation. I say no, I save it,